Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on Data Saver on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you have the Facebook app on your smartphone and spend a lot of time using it, then probably you might be burning too much mobile data. There are users who don't care about their mobile data, but there are a thousand of Facebook users like you and me who want to save their data. Well, you're lucky because Facebook's latest app allows users to save their mobile data by turning on the data saver feature. So how to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now, you can tap on your profile. You can tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. You can scroll down. You can see there is an option media on preferences. You can tap on that. There is an option data saver. My data saver is unactivate. It's still turned off. You can turn on or enable the data saver by tap on the box here like this. So use up to 40% less data by reducing your video quality. So if your data saver is active on your Facebook, your media like video or photo will be the quality will be read. So that is how to turn on data saver on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.